I've had my first mechanical failure. It was really not a big deal. This pin right here, which of course I know is loose and is a little bit worn, it sheared off the bolt, and it was halfway out when I was down in the woods, but I got it hammered back in. I had that bolt just as temporary because that's not grade 8. It's not strong enough to hold that pin in there. It'll shear right off. So I just did that as a temporary fix. At least I know size bolt I need and the strength and the length. That's a little bit too long. Oh man, this machine is something else. Wow, what a monster. Let's go see what it did. Hope everybody's doing well, man. Today's the last day of the heat wave, the big heat wave. It's literally, with the humidity, 107 degrees. Unbelievable. I mean, the heat is just through the roof. Thank God there's a breeze, because that's the only thing that's really doing anything. Okay. This bad gulch of mine, this ravine, is what I've been working on. I thought I was going to wait till winter, but I couldn't resist. So I came here and just chopped the crap out of everything. Scraped it. Put it in one big pile. Now I can actually see through to the other side of the property. Isn't that neat? Hold on, there's more. And pulling vines out of these trees. It was a job, man. And I started clearing on the other side over there, that berm. So now I don't have much of a trash pile here in the center, which I'm going to cut through this with a chainsaw. Just cut all this out and then part a path right through there. But in the meantime, hold on. Still working the whole area here. Right up to this point right here was just pure woods, but you can see where I created a big space in here. Pulled out a bunch of big trees. Created, of course, some more trash piles. And now I got this big open space. And man, you can see the fence up there. Amazing. Created a bigger trail. Right through here. And there's the property line right there. There's the stake. So I'm right on this now right side of the property. Came up here and worked this place right up here this morning. I got a big enough area right now. Put another storage building down here, or this could be an animal run-in shelter area right in here. Who knows? All kinds of possibilities are opening up. So in reality, I've got a pretty good handle on it, but this is of course a mountain of a trash pile. But I'll thin it out, let it decay, bring a chainsaw in here, some big old rocks, been pulling them out of here too. But man, that excavator is amazing. Take a look at that. Right over to the other side. This is only like 5 or 6 foot wide now. It's all pushed into one big line. Beautiful. All right. Time to go back to the city. Oh, my neighbors. Man, they're like a bunch of workhorses over there. There's like 8 people over there rebuilding that old house and renovating it. They've already put another subfloor in one section of the house, which is cool. I went in there. In fact, the new owner, the young guy, the guy who got out of the Army, I think his name is Walter. Him and I got to talk, and I showed him some of my property, my little house. We went into his place, and like I said, and he's with First Choice Builders. So he's a builder. So he's already said what he can and cannot do to the place and what he's going to do. So I saw some of the results, and it's pretty good. I'm impressed. So